Alright, the two light engines, I don't know who it is. We got L277. It's behind on one. Coming now. But I don't know who this guy is on track 3, the old main line. One or 3, 2, 3, 4. Oh, nice. That. Is it 40? Looks like. Alright, L277, you guys look good. Be safe going west. I'm going to wheel. And the Light Power, you guys look good too.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 6.96. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 161. End of transmission.
Alright guys, this will probably be my last video for today. So, see you guys next time. Light Power came up on 3, you go back east on 4. Alright, see you guys next time.